Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to another video. I have something special for you today from Kyosho. Yes, we have this big massive packaging here from Kyosho. It is called the Kyosho Mini Car and Book Special Edition 1/64 scale diecast model car. We have number 23 and number 24 here in the front. And you can see it's the Subaru WRX NBR Challenge 2024 and 2023. So yeah, so you have this kind of book, very big packaging. And I'm gonna show you the inside right now. If we pull this off here, put to the side here, don't have that much space. So we have a book here on the inside, mini car book about the Subaru WRX Challenge 24. Some nice pictures and some nice background stories about the racing team, about the achievements and everything, but all in Japanese. I can't read Japanese, sadly, but it is a great lecture and some very nice pictures. And here we actually have the model car, and it also comes with the MOTN system. So here we have the model car. And there you go. So let's let's just check the second version here also. It is very big. Here comes the second book from the number 23 challenge. It's funny that it's also book number 23 and the challenge from 2023, and this one is book number 24, the other one, and also from 2024. Is this a coincidence? I don't know. Oh, if you open the book, actually you have a massive picture of the car, and same here, all in Japanese. Some background story about the race team, about the car and everything, about the people, the driver maybe. Yeah, that's pretty nice to have. And yeah, they actually have been here in Germany. And there goes the packaging. Yeah, Germany, Nürburgring. There you go, the Nürburgring. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Subaru Challenge. Let's check this car also here. You haven't seen that, but in the packaging, in the cardboard, there was also a second version. So we have two versions of the 2023. Let's unbox these very quick here. There you go. So we have the 24 version and the 23 version in two different colors. Let's check the cars out. So this is the is it NBR for Nürburgring? STE Nürburgring Challenge? Yeah, that could be. So this one. So this one here comes on a black base, and this one on a blue base. And here we have the comparison next to each other. there you go, the STE NBR Challenge 24-23. Gran Turismo. Falcon. Both in a very nice design, and both with the chrome roof. You can see the STI logo, the Subaru logo, but a completely chrome roof, a mirror finish actually. And then we have this one here in a matte black with a blue roof. It's crazy. And let's try these out. We have the MOTN base here connected to my power bank. And there you go. The headlights lighting up. And the taillights also. That's pretty good. Let's check the 23 version. The lights up. Gonna dim the lights for you for a second. The reflection on the base is also very nice. Yeah, I really like that. That looks really good. Yeah, pretty nice with the MOTN base. So here we have the 2024 model, starting number 88, Subaru. All these crazy details. Let's have a closer look on how sharp these are. BBS, STC. And then the hood in matte black, starting number 88, Dekra. From Germany, Falcon tires, looking pretty good, very nice details. Pretty nice. Let's unscrew it from the base. So yeah, it is. Oh, the tires, they do have flat spots from being screwed so tight. Ah, that's not so nice. But we do have brake disc. You can see them here through the wheels, through the rims. The massive brake disc. And it is a metal body, I would say, with a plastic base. And there you can see the flat spot. And yeah, there you go, flat spots being screwed too tight. That's not so nice. But all these details and everything, pretty good model. It is rolling with brake discs. And then you can also change it here and just put the model on the MOTN base and it will light up. So let's check the 2023 model. Very Nice headlights. Starting number 114. Here you also have the Falcon colors on the wing. The green and blue. Falcon tires. The mirror finish on the roof. And let's check this one here. Let's unscrew it from the base, the black version. Very nice. Headlights, of course. Left-hand drive. The racing windows. Small side mirrors with reflective sticker. Is it? Maybe it's paint. It's silver paint. Brake disc. Exhaust here on the left side. Separate piece for the taillight also. A black racing cage. The Subaru blue roof and a matte black body. Very interesting. And also flat spot. So they rolling pretty good, but because of the black of the flat spot, not so nice. Overall, you can see rolling pretty nice, but it is a plastic base. But otherwise, it wouldn't work with the MOTN, I assume. If you have a metal base, that wouldn't work. Yeah, pretty nice models. Very nice details. And I really do like the MOTM stuff. They look pretty good. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.